Okay, so Daisuke, we just met him here at Zerofighter. And I swear these things, they're handing them out like hotcakes. There's so many of them out here, but we're gonna walk around a little bit while we still have some daylight. We're really excited. Yeah, dude, another one. On the mag, is it Mag Boost? Yeah. Looks good, but I wanna see this right here. This is so sick. Straight up, very traditional Osaka Kanjo style Civic right here. Check out the tire letters. You got the Zerofighter center caps on the wheels. Sprayed on. Man, this is so sick to see in person. I'm tripping out right now. Check out the duct in the bumper too. Yeah, so this is probably why all the shops smell like paint, because these cars are always getting repainted. Different graphics, everything, you know, different effects. But dude, how amazing is it to see one of these up close? I'm super mind blown right now, because all I've done is seen pictures of these cars, and to be up front, I'm not sure if this particular car is a customer car or anything like that. I really don't know too much about it, but we're definitely taking notes because these guys know how to build cars out here. So we got a bunch of cars to check out. Let's go do that. This is funny. This is an SI in Japan, but it's an SI. Let's go see. I think this is the one that's got the conversion in the front. Nah, is it? Nah, it's a straight up coupe out here in Japan. That's an American market Civic coupe, 8th gen. But it looks good. Yeah, see, it's left-hand drive too. That's so weird. And then they got the race car. That's the car I think it's gonna be at Suzuka circuit on. Yeah. So that's pretty cool. All right. Whoa, so cool. Check out the tow hook at the bottom. Okay, I'm gonna squeeze through here real quick. Look up close. 88. So mismatched wheels, got NKRPF ones. What tire size are these bad boys? 195, 55, R15. So that's the standard tire size that you'll see on a lot of these Civics, especially in this class. And of course, Yokohama Advent 50s, 195, 55, 15s, because that would be the class specification. So I believe that would be is it N1 or N2? But I'll find out the exact information, but that class is a 1600cc, basically to simulate the one-make races. Again, like I said, I'm just learning as I go here, but it is definitely very cool to see all of these cars in person. So I've always been a big fan. Big fan of a lot of these cars out here in Osaka for a long time. So we are here in the back of Zerofighter, taking a look at this race car over here, number 55. And this is the driver who has told me that this is, I believe he's saying he's like one of the record holders at Suzuka circuit in this car. So that's pretty crazy to see it up close, because if I'm on the track, I'll probably never see this car again. But yeah, so check it out. We got the Zerofighter exhaust right there, basically running almost as straight as an arrow. We got the tow hook, the latches too. So there's no latches inside of the trunk area for the window. You basically just clip it down, so it's easy to open, especially if you need to get to like the fuel cell back there. Oh my god, check out the window net. That's legit. This is how you do it, guys. This is how you build a freaking Civic race car. Take notes, man. All running 195 55 tires as per spec, but it's just cool to see this pair right here in real life. This one right here, Ichiban Hayai. It's very cool. Shout outs to this guy for letting us check out the car too. Oh my gosh. Mite mo ii desu ka? Everything here smells like paint. All these shops smell like paint. Atarashii painto. Man, these guys probably had a long day of work. I'm all excited. I feel kind of silly. Can't miss this back corner over here too. Got a Top Gun Racing EK9 Got the clear corners. Hey, check it out, ladies and gentlemen. Does this angle of the car look kind of familiar to you? Okay. Does that remind you of anything? Well, anyways, so it's got the 5-lug buddy clubs on there, Dunlop tires. It's been sitting for a while, it looks like, but sometimes it be like that. Got this EF over here. This one's got a more staggered setup up front, so I'm guessing this car probably races for a different class. But check this out. So this is the Honda One Make Championship Cup Race door Zekken, door decal numbers. Yeah, so definitely we're gonna learn a lot more about how One Make race gets down as we're out here. Cindy's taking notes. She's a big fan of Zerofighter. RPF 1's in the front and in the back, but it looks like either a spacer up front. What is going on there? Yeah, it looks like a spacer. We got, is that a hood latch? Yeah, fuel cells. All these cars got fuel cells. And then there's, hello guys. There's this big giant vent in there too. So that, I'm guessing that's gonna help the driver cool down on hot days. What else can we see? So Daisuke, that was the gentleman that we spoke to when we were first making plans to visit. And I believe that's the owner. So very cool to meet him face to face. So cool. I don't know, guys. I'm just going nuts over all of this. We also, oh, there was spoon calipers too. Okay, quick little look up front. So we got the spoon calipers here. Yep. And then we have this EK chilling. I don't know what the status of this project is, but it's sitting on some, looks like some ITR wheels. But even just like sitting like this, you know, you can just take it all in. Yeah, a lot of these cars too, like some of them are, you know, easily recognizable. Definitely, we've seen them. I mean, I know I've seen them, but some, yeah, you come here and it's like your work is done. Now you just rest and you become a storage unit. Got a transmission coming together here. Oh my gosh, it smells. Reminds me of home. All right. Oh yeah. Oh man, there's so many things going on. Yeah, so these folks over here are super busy. They got a lot to get ready for, a lot of things to do around the shop, getting ready for this weekend. Really big event, so he's putting this transmission together, cleaning up all the gasket material. It's crazy. So I feel like car stuff is a universal language. Like, you know, I only speak so little Japanese, and English is hard for them to speak as well, but we can talk about car stuff, and that's universal. So it's cool, you know. Go ahead. I like when you explain it.
Oh. Okay, I think this is also the owner's EG.
It's got his name, yeah.
Color scheme.
Same matching color scheme, matching liveries.
Coordination.
You guys got to check this out right here. This is what you call seat time. Got Fuji, got One Make Central Circuit. Oh, somebody almost there. Central Suzuka Clubman. That's how you do right there. Mosquitoes?
The EGs.
It's all EGs over here. Also had this Nissan Bluebird over here too. It's on some nice SSRs. I think these are Mark 2 or Mark 3s. That's right. Right-hand drive. Fender mirrors, yellow headlights. Very proper Cusha.
This is nice.
Check out the back of this. This one's all stitch welded. You see the stitch welding? It's so cool. Damn. Gauge cluster in there too. This one looks like a nice little work in progress. Stitch welding up front. Nice little slice of home out here. This is a SIR, like an actual EG6, but this one's still very normal spec, original spec, maybe lowered. Speaking of lowered, we got this dope ass lowrider chilling under it. 62 Impala. It's a thing. It's crazy to see these kind of cars out here as well. Hopefully we'll see more of them. But check this out, guys. Come on. We got Honda and Lowrider style. Mecha kakoi. Super cool, man. So right here we're chilling in the front of the shop. Oh yeah, basically all the coolest wheels and a bunch of cars. Some of them are customer cars, some of them are going to be for sale, that kind of thing. And it looks like it's kind of just a one-stop shop. They do all kinds of things, everything from racing modification to car sales, parts sales. Speaking of parts sales, we got to go inside, check out and see what they got. Folks, so this is your one-make shop to build your race car. You got your pins, exhaust, the umbrella on those hot-ass track days. You got tow hooks, floor plates, and of course the trophies. Somebody is out of control. All right, you guys, well, that's going to be pretty much it for the first day out and about with the FD2. Had a couple of stops and we got to visit Zerofighter, so that was pretty dope. So shout outs to the brothers at Zerofighter for their hospitality and just for showing us around the shop and just kind of letting us do our thing. You know, like, everybody's just, if you're respectful, I can't say it enough. If you're respectful to people, they take care of you and they make sure you have a good time and make your trip well worth it. So good luck to everybody. Big race going on this weekend, so it's going to be really exciting to be there and to see all of our new friends. But it's konbini time because I'm hungry, and then we got to drive back to Osaka. So here we go.